Looks like someone was already here and messed up the threads. So we're gonna have to also fix that. Don't worry, we're gonna be replacing this, so we don't care about the chrome. Okay, so turns out it was just a piece inside the unit that needed to be replaced. Watch out, because there's a spring inside here. You take this apart. So this was the bad one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has these really bad lines in them. This one doesn't. And this has a spring inside of it, so you have to be very careful. Put the unit back together. Backwards threads. Slide the unit in. Take the cover. The unit's going to want to spin. Just hold it. I like to hand tight it first and just get it started, make sure it's nice and tight. You don't have to tighten it down much more than that after that. Then we'll turn the water back on and see if we got any leaks. You guys stay right there while I'll be right back. We need some light. It's too dark. That's awesome. There we go. They just needed to be tightened a little bit more. Alright, stay tuned for the next episode next time. OFG. Thanks, fam. So like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.